Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to install and use DuckDuckGo browser, then watch this video. So now the first thing I will do is I will open the browser and I will search for DuckDuckGo browser download. And I will have an option to download DuckDuckGo from the original site, but I would prefer to use DuckDuckGo from the this download. If it shows this button download in the first half of the page, it means that Bing is recommending this because this is the version without any virus or any malware. So if you see this blue button whenever you're downloading any app or any software, then always click on this button and then click on download browser. Now it will take some time to download, and it's downloaded. Open file and click on install. And it should take very less time to install. While you install such applications which install it from the online version itself, so you can see it is accessing your internet connection, you should always make sure that your internet speed is quite fast. So for that we'll use fast.com just to check how fast the internet speed is, and I am getting around 190 to 200 Mbps per second, which is quite excellent. So again we'll go back to our installer and we will see that it is installing. Should take some time, and when it is installed we should have DuckDuckGo, and people prefer DuckDuckGo because it does not save cookies if I'm not wrong, and it's quite a private browser. There's a very less chance for people to spy on you or for any agencies to spy on you, is why people prefer using DuckDuckGo. Its privacy settings are really excellent. So we're almost 70% there, and it shouldn't take long now. And the second thing about DuckDuckGo is it also doesn't have any controls as of such, right? Here it is. So it doesn't have any parental controls. You can look for any word, any site, and it will just open. Unlike Google, Chrome, or Edge, which have a lot of controls. And it's open now. So we will get started. And like I said, private search, and they have these features which other browsers do not have. Great. All right. Got it. Got it. Next. Skip. And we'll skip. Switch to default browser. We'll skip and we'll click next. We'll skip for now. And we'll skip. Add shortcut, skip, next. You're all set. Thank you. Start browsing, and we will start browsing. We'll look for facebook.com, and we can look at any other site. And like I told you, the privacy settings in DuckDuckGo are much better than the other browsers. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel and have a great day.